To create a home screen folder on Samsung Galaxy A57, you have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to press and hold your finger on the first app that should be placed in a folder. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Then we should be able to drag it and drop it on top of another app that is supposed to be in the same folder. And there we go, the folder is immediately created. Of course, we can use the folder name section over here in order to set up the name if it's not automatically assigned. But even then, of course, we can still adjust the name. And here we can also use this plus button in order to quickly add more apps into the folder. Or you can, of course, go back to the home screen and you can keep adding more apps the same way into the folder. And the second option that allows you to create a folder is by simply pressing and holding your finger on the first app again, but this time we want to choose the select option. Now over here we can select multiple apps that we want to include in a folder, and then here in the upper right corner we have create folder option. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.